Breaking news. The appeals federal judge has denied Gavin Newsom control of the National Guard to get back control. So Trump took a W. And if you remember back then, you remember when this whole situation happened, the protests, the riots, Gavin Newsom had jumped to do a media. He jumped. He was excited. I know he was waiting. Held a press conference excitedly how Trump is going to have to now return the National Guard back to their duty. Now, so that's interesting. That's breaking news. Tonight's kind of a quiet night for news, but I wanted to tell you the LA Dodgers. Remember the story we covered earlier today on the main channel? They made a reply and they said this morning ICE agents came to the Dodger Stadium and requested permission to access the parking lots. They were denied entry to the grounds by the organization. Tonight's game will be played as scheduled. But it doesn't just stop there because JLR said, do you hire illegals? Homeland Security replied back and said this had nothing to do with the Dodgers. CBP, I think that means Border Patrol vehicles, were in the stadium parking lot very briefly, unrelated to any operation. So, and then U.S. Customs also said that false, we were never there. ICE themselves. And so what really happened? I'm not really sure, because there were reports that ICE was there. They are denying it. Kind of interesting. And also there's been this huge divide fall in the MAGA community online, whether you're standing with Trump or Tucker Carlson or whatever else. They're saying either Trump or war. It's kind of interesting to see the fallout and what's going on. And I was watching a little bit of Laura Loomer. She was kind of going hard today. I don't agree with some of the things she said. I don't like that with Theo Vaughn. She was pretty much tearing him down because he was into substances. He's talked about it openly, but he supports, I guess, anti-war. There's a divide whether you support war or not. I don't think Trump's going to do that. But he has always said that he's not for Iran having nuclear bombs. But at the same time, he's campaigning on no war. So I understand there's like this thing. And then there's this argument, well, he's shot missiles before and he didn't start a war. So shooting missiles now, people are saying wouldn't start a war. But it's so murky and convoluted and all over the place. So tonight's been a quiet night. I've just been chilling. You can always go to iCkEdMeL.com and check out the latest videos that I've posted. This was earlier. And the iCkEdMeL Clips channel. And you can also sign up to my mailing list. Don't miss out any more notifications. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll see what the weekend brings. Apparently, they're having a part 2 on July 4th, I think, of King's Day protest. I feel like those people are kind of like, they're already phased out. They dwindled. They didn't have the fortitude or the strength. And their movement is already gone. It's done. It's dwindled. On to the next kind of thing. But anyway, love you guys. Take care. Appreciate all the support. It's been an amazing month. Crazy month. Over 40,000 something subs, man. It's been on the main channel. It's been insane. So thank you so much, subscribers. Boom. Look at that. Isn't that great? Can I zoom it in? There we go. 39,655 in a month. Insane. Millions of views. Just insane. So thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye. Bloop, bloop.